You have probably spent hours looking at beautiful websites, multiple pages, stunning animations, complex navigation menus, months of design work. What if I told you that none of that matters? What if I showed you a single page, no menu, no about section, no blog, no pricing page that has the potential to generate $100,000 a month? And what if I told you a 21-year-old built it with $0 after getting scammed? There is a lie the internet tells you about building something successful online. It says you need complexity. You need a homepage, an about page, a services page, a blog with 50 articles, a contact form, a newsletter pop-up, a cookie consent banner, a testimonial section, an FAQ page, a pricing table. You need all of it before anyone will take you seriously. That is the lie, and I believed it, until I stopped believing it and built something in a weekend that proved every single part of it wrong. Let me show you what I mean. This website took months to build, thousands of dollars in design fees, a team of developers, content writers, SEO specialists. Now look at this. One page, one input field, one button. That is it. That is the entire website. And it is already being used by people in multiple countries to make better decisions about what they watch online. How is that possible? Because complexity is not the point. Solving a problem is the point. And this one page solves a very specific problem that millions of people have, and most of them do not even know it yet. Here is where this started. I was watching YouTube, same as you probably do every day. I found a video, confident creator, professional production, millions of views, hundreds of comments saying this changed their life. I paid $800 for the course behind it. Within 24 hours, I knew something was wrong. Everything in that course was available free on YouTube. So I asked for a refund. They told me to wait 2 to 3 business days. I waited and waited and waited. Email sent, no reply, money gone, no recourse, nothing. And the worst part? That video is still up right now, still getting views, still taking money from people who have no idea what is coming. I had 2 choices, move on and forget about it, or build something that meant nobody else had to learn that lesson the way I did. I chose to build. And what I built was one page. TruthScore is a free tool that analyzes any YouTube video and tells you what the creator hopes you never check. One input field, paste the YouTube link, hit Analyze, get the truth in 10 seconds. Here is what it checks. The hidden dislike ratio. YouTube removed the public dislike count in 2021. TruthScore restores it using data from Return YouTube Dislike, a community database that has tracked every dislike since removal. Comment sentiment. The scam warnings buried under thousands of positive comments you would never find yourself. TruthScore scans all of them and surfaces the ones that matter. FOMO and urgency language. The psychological pressure tactics designed to make you act before you think. Limited time. Act now. Last chance. TruthScore catches every one. Affiliate links and course funnels, so you know exactly how the creator profits from your attention before you give it to them. Channel Trust Score, because a brand new channel with one suddenly viral video is not the same as a creator who has been building for years. Everything scored 0 to 100 in 10 seconds on one page for free. Now here is the part that most creators would never show you. How does a free one-page website make money? Let me be completely transparent, because I think you deserve honesty more than you deserve a sales pitch. Right now, TruthScore makes $0. It is completely free. No ads, no subscriptions, no premium tier. But here is the business model I am building toward, and why I genuinely believe it has the potential to reach 6 figures a month. Layer 1, the Chrome extension. Imagine TruthScore living directly inside your YouTube browser. You open any video, and before you even press play, the score appears automatically. No copy pasting, no leaving the page, just the truth. Instantly, everywhere you go. That extension is coming. People are already on the waitlist. The free version will always exist, but a pro version with real-time scanning, advanced flag details, and creator history tracking, that is worth paying for. Layer 2. API access. Think about who else needs what TruthScore does. Media companies verifying sources, schools teaching digital literacy, parents monitoring what their children watch, brands checking if a creator is trustworthy before signing a sponsorship deal. Every one of those use cases is a B2B customer willing to pay significantly more than an individual user. Layer 3. Data insights. Every video analyzed through TruthScore generates anonymized data about what YouTube's scam landscape actually looks like, which niches have the highest scam rates, which tactics are growing fastest, which channels have the most suspicious patterns. That data, reported responsibly, is valuable to cybersecurity researchers, journalism organizations, and consumer protection bodies. One page, 3 revenue layers, a market of 2.5 billion YouTube users. That is the business. But here's what I actually want you to take away from this video. Not the business model, not the revenue projections, not the Chrome extension. This. The most powerful websites on the internet do one thing exceptionally well. Google, one search box, one thing. Craigslist still looks like it was built in 1995. Billions of dollars in value, one thing. The $1 million homepage, one page, one grid of pixels, $1 million. Complexity is what you add when you do not know what problem you are solving. Simplicity is what remains when you know exactly what your user needs and you remove everything else. I did not set out to build a simple website. I set out to solve a specific problem. The simplicity was just what was left after I removed everything that did not serve that purpose. If you are sitting on an idea right now, a problem you have personally experienced, a frustration that has no good solution yet, you do not need 10 pages. You do not need a team. You do not need funding. You do not need to wait until everything is perfect. You need one page, one problem, one solution. Build that first. Everything else comes after. Let me show you TruthScore in action one more time before we finish. I am going to take one of the most viewed Make Money Online videos on YouTube right now and run it through TruthScore live. No editing, no setup. Whatever comes up, you will see it. While it loads, remember that this video has been watched millions of times. Millions of people made a decision about this creator based on what YouTube showed them. Here is what YouTube did not show them. One page, 10 seconds, the truth. TruthScore is free. It will always have a free version because the people running these funnels are not going to stop, and everyone deserves access to the truth about what they are watching. If this video showed you something useful, share it with one person who spends time on YouTube. And if you have ever been scammed by something you found online, you are not stupid. You are not naive. You were targeted by people who are very good at what they do. The link to TruthScore is in the description. The Chrome extension waitlist is there too. Come back next week. I will show you exactly how I am building this from zero. The wins, the failures, the analytics, all of it. Nothing hidden, because that is kind of the whole point. TruthScore.online. YouTube won't tell you this. We will.